Cage organization tutorial. We have 2 dry cages with food storage. In the cage that is mostly food, we have at the bottom of the cage some bulk ingredients, dried cranberries. There's probably some chocolate chips down there. We also have some gloves. The middle part of this cage is all crumbles ingredients. Anything that is going in crumbles is in the middle part of the cage. Top part of the cage, all other types of ingredients. So soy sauces, beans, rices, spices, trail mix stuff. Okay, but what goes here? Crumble stuff. Non-crumble stuff, pretty easy. Okay, over in this cage, at the top, we have all of our cups and bowls and spoons and things like that. We've got some scales, more bulk things, aprons, mortar and pestle, cutting boards here. Continue on, team, along the path. We start with our refrigerated ingredients. Our only space in the fridge is the top of this shelf. That is where everything that ours is, the top of this shelf. So right now there's chicken, vegetables, yogurt. Okay. You get hot, walk into the fridge. To the freezer. The freezer is tight. It's in the back left corner. So come on in. This is our freezer cage. Okay, so everything Rebel is in here. Okay, got it? And that is the tutorial for cage, freezer, and fridge.
Youth power, healthy deliciousness, Rebel Ventures.